Are we rolling now? I guess we are. Okay, this is Ralph with a video talking about the Home Business Academy and also talking about some of the trainings that we have in the Home Business Academy. And it's really remarkable because with the Home Business Academy, you get a funnel builder tool that you can use to create sales funnels for the Home Business Academy and any other affiliate marketing or network marketing program that you happen to be in. You can even use the funnel builder to sell your own products, create and sell your own products. And it's a very robust funnel builder that you get for just $25 per month. But in addition to that, you also get a bunch of other trainings just at the $25 level. And then if you want to upgrade and get the premium level as well, you get a boatload of other trainings available at that level too. So let's just go over what trainings you get at the funnel builder level and then move on up to the premium level as well. At the funnel builder level, you get complete training on how to set up your funnel builder tool, how to create funnel builder pages, and link it to your autoresponder. And you also get training on how to sell your own products, how to create membership sites, how to create survey pages, how to create quiz funnels, and how to set up your own affiliate marketing program if you're the kind of very ambitious person that wants to create your own affiliate marketing program instead of just selling other people's affiliate marketing programs. So a whole lot of value at that level, and that really is just the tip of the iceberg. Now, at the $25 funnel builder level, they also have what they call the bonus vault trainings. And these trainings are yours to keep, even if you decide to drop out after your first 30 days. And some of these bonus vault trainings are extremely valuable. You get the Magical Morning Formula, which is a training that teaches you how to get started right each and every day, a simple method of operation that you can use to get your day started right. They also have mindset training called Algorithms for Abundance, how to train your mind to think right and to get the most value out of each and every day. And they also have something that I have been going over now for 6 months, still going over it because there's so much value in this training. It's called the Affiliate Marketing Domination Course. And this is something that Mike Hobbs put together based on thousands of dollars of training that he paid for. And now he's giving it away practically in the bonus vault for just 25 bucks. And it's a course on how to really dominate in the affiliate marketing space. They also teach you, there's a training on how to create your own emails. It's an email marketing masterclass training that if you're new to email marketing, they teach you how to write your own emails. They give you some templates that you can use, and they train you on how to use those templates to start creating your own email marketing emails. So a lot of value at just the $25 level. Now, if you want to go up to the premium level, you get a whole lot more value in that. At the premium level, you get simple, free, unlimited leads training with Facebook. You also get what they call the free Facebook ads method, which is a method that I am using to get daily leads using Facebook groups. They also have a training called Podcasting 101, LinkedIn Recruiting Mastery, Facebook Live Mastery, and Blogging for Business, and a whole lot more. And when you join at both the funnel builder level and the premium level, you also get access to 11 different masterminds each and every week. And I mean, they've got more masterminds than I have time to go through. But I mean, extremely high value in these masterminds. And yeah, you get 11 of these, and these are set up to where they're supposed to be like 1 hour masterminds. But at the end of each mastermind, they have a question and answer period. And I've seen these masterminds morph into like an hour and a half and even 2 hour masterminds because the leaders are so good at sticking around until each and every question is answered. And if you can't make the live mastermind, you can always catch the recorded version of these masterminds. And just if you're new to home business, if you're new to online business, I mean, these masterminds make it so that you can get your questions answered. No more guessing, no more shooting in the dark. You can hear right from people that have like over 10 years experience in the field, sharing their expertise and helping you along every step of the way. Now, if you want to try the Home Business Academy out for yourself, and get a free trial of the premium for 2 weeks, just go to my main affiliate link description, link down in the program description down below, but just go to www.ralphshomebiz.com, click that link, give me your information, and then check everything out. For $25, you get access to the Funnel Builder tool and all the training that's in the Funnel Builder Academy, and get 2 weeks free trial of the premium level. And just check it out. See if this is right for you. And if it is, congratulations. Welcome to the Home Business Academy. If not, just cancel out, and you still get access to the bonus vault as long as you stick around for 30 days. And I mean, for $25, why not? And you get a lot of training there. So hope you found this entertaining and valuable, and we'll catch you in future updates. Until then, this is Ralph signing out. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.